And what's good, y'all? It's your boy Ray. We back. Another day, another blessing. Let there be light. Yes, sir. Gotta go get this thing washed up. Thing is filthy again. Let's just get a quick cold start and get this thing pulled out of the garage. Alright, chat. We on the road, yes sir. We're gonna pull up on somebody and get a photo shoot, some rollers and stuff like that. Here's his IG right here, Pixels by Jay. About to link up with bro right now after I get the car all cleaned up. I'm trying to start a new tradition for anybody that got to drink, especially an energy drink. Let's crack them puppies open together. This is a tall can, so I just gotta kind of slide it. Whoa, your boy almost got sent to the upper room right now, bro. Don't YouTube and drive, y'all. Anyways, let's get this puppy open. Yeah. Alright, y'all, technical difficulties. I'll get back to y'all right now. But anyways, cheers, y'all. So we just pulled up to this little touchless car wash. Like, you literally just park. It does all the work for you. Pretty cool. You don't have to deal with like the brushes and stuff like that. For those who don't know, you do not want to go through a drive-through car wash. All those like brushes, bristles and stuff like that, even the things that aren't necessarily like hard, it'll just mess your paint up, y'all. It'll get all sorts of scratched, all kinds of swirls on your paint. You definitely don't want that. So if it's too hot, like out here in Arizona right now, it's like 110 degrees, or you're just feeling lazy, definitely look for a little spot like this, y'all, where you can just park and literally get your car washed while you're inside of the car. You know what I mean? Car's turned on, just chilling. So they're usually called touchless car washes, y'all. So I just linked up with them and pulled up to a spot down the street. Pulled up to the spot. Yes, sir. Parked up real quick. Out here looking clean. Nice spot. Bro's about to cook. What's up, brother? Justin it was?
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you, man. Bro is about to cook. Sheesh. Really clean spot, and you cannot beat that AZ sunset. Bro has a really clean Subi too. Let's go check it out. What year was it, bro? Your Subi? 2008. 2008. Subaru Legacy. I'm not gonna lie, these things are very underrated, like he said. Y'all might have, but personally, I've never seen a Legacy like this clean. I really love this right here. Sheesh. Thing is sitting nice, bro. Sounds really good as well. I love it for sure. Definitely a very slept on Subi right here.
This is 07 or 08?
It's a 2012 actually, bro.
12?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
A little bit newer, bro. It's literally just like it's called the LCI, so like a facelift, yeah, I guess you can say. It's just like different bumpers and stuff like that, but also this one comes with the N55.
Oh, okay.
So just a little bit different.
There's one of my buddies, he lives out in Santan. He has a black 07.
Sick, bro.
Yeah.
Sick.
And that one we wrapped about like 2 months ago.
What color is it?
Right now it's Nardo Gray.
Ooh, I gotta see that, bro. After this, you gotta show me some pics.
Yeah, nothing's nice.
Sheesh. Nardo Gray E92. Is it the 2-door or 4-door?
2-door.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Nardo E92.
2-door.
Sheesh.
Manual. Nice.
And it's thick, bro. All over me, bro. Sheesh. For sure. I don't blame them, bro. The 6-speeds with these cars, bro, they're actually pretty damn good, for sure.
Yeah, I actually bought the Legacy off of him.
Yeah, off of the same guy?
Yeah.
That's sick. Is that thick as well?
Yeah.
Oh, man. That's fire, bro. I love it even more now.
Yeah, they're hard to come by sticks. So.
Yeah, I bet, bro. I bet the cars in general, but man, stick? Sheesh.
Yeah, mine's a facelift.
Hmm.
I don't really see those here too often. I see like the 07 and like the 05, 07.
05, 07, yeah.
Those ones you kind of see more common. I just kind of like the facelift a little more.
Yeah. I don't blame you, bro. That thing is really clean.
That one so far.
Jeez.
Side photos.
That one's clean. Oh, man.
Just trying to get all of the little like angles, like the basic ones first, and then work and get some details.
Man.
So, oh, that's one from last night.
Things gonna look fire, bro. You're cooking already. Sheesh. How long have you been doing photography?
Huh?
How long have you been doing this?
Consistently, like a year.
A year?
Altogether, probably like 2.5 years or so.
Damn. That's what's up, bro.
Yeah, I like took a huge break last year. I didn't shoot nothing for about a year or so.
It's necessary sometimes, bro.
Yeah, I was kind of like burnt out. I was kind of like, I don't want to do much.
Sometimes you gotta step back and recuperate. And I feel like when you do that, bro, you figure out if you're truly passionate about it. And if you come back, that's like your testament to know that you really want to do it. It's my first like shoot with it in like, I want to say like almost 2 years, bro.
Really?
Yeah. Like December 24, bro.
Oh, shit.
It's been a while. I've been taking my own pics, bro, on the iPhone.
Hey, I mean, the iPhone is not bad. Like, the camera now is pretty good.
Yeah, it is, honestly. For sure.
Yeah, that's where I started shooting, was on my iPhone.
Mhm.
It was just like, just going out, just trying to practice. And then 1 year for Christmas, my wife bought me a camera.
Damn.
So I was like, oh, hell yeah.
Hyped up, huh?
Yeah.
Sick.
Okay, I fuck with this.
Oh yeah, bro. From my iPhone to that, what kind of camera is it?
It's a Sony a6400.
Sony a6400.
Yeah,
You liking it?
love it.
No regrets at all?
Not at all.
Sick, brother. How long did it take you to like fully get used to that?
I'm still getting used to it.
Yeah, really? Go now?
Yeah. Okay, scoot up a little bit. Perfect.
Pulled over after the rollers. How'd it come out, bro?
Came out great, man. Look at that.
Bro said see for yourself. Oh man. Thing looks crazy, bro.
And then that fucking guy.
Thing looks sick.
Boom. Looking solid.
Sheesh. All finished up, came out crazy as y'all just seen, bro.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you, brother.
Of course, man. Of course.
Go tap in with his IG. I'll put it right here. Pixels by Jay, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So go tap in with bro. His content goes crazy, man. Go look at all of his like recent work and stuff like that. Obviously tap in so y'all can see what he does with this. Man, it's gonna look insane. But once again, thank you, brother. I appreciate you, man.
Of course, man. Of course.
That's a wrap. But this will be the end of today's video, y'all. As always, I hope y'all have a blessed day. It's your boy Roy, and I'm out.